YouTube, what's going on? Okay, are you tired of your Ram having those yellow lights? You can't see crap at night when you're driving. You think it's time for an upgrade? Well, I got you. We're gonna learn how to uninstall, install, and remove the headlights and the lights. So let's jump into the video. We did the fog lights. Now I put LED headlights in. So just changing the bulb from halogen or whatever to LEDs. The link in the description below for the ones I got. These are the ones that I bought. We're gonna see how they are. No promises that they're even good, but some people might ask, how do you remove my headlights? So let me show you exactly how you remove your headlights and then install the bulb. So there's going to be these two bolts that you have to take out. There's also a bolt right under here. It's really hard to see, but you make sure that that's out. And then essentially you just pull the headlight out. There's a little bit of a locking mechanism in there, just like a tab, but it won't really do any damage. You just pull that out. We're gonna remove the headlights and we're gonna get it ready to install the LEDs. The light bulbs have been removed. You have to remove these clips, undo it, pull it out, then you pull it out and you gotta disconnect. We got this side all done and we got it in there. So here's the old lights and the new LEDs. They come with this nice package. So we're just gonna plug these in. Literally it's 3 bolts on each side to get them out and pull the headlights out, screw them in, and quite an easy installation and disassemble. So let's put these in. First thing is let's get this in there. There we go. All right. So once those are over, you can get the light bulb to kind of sit flush. Tighten it under. Alright. Oh, it's a little more difficult than we anticipated. Let's do a quick test here. Looks like they're working nice and bright. Okay, so the trick to these is you need to get this over top of this. It's a bit of a struggle. You debate if you're actually going to break it or not, but that is how you get it in there. So you got to get that and you got to force this over top. Just like that. So then it's around as a 1 unit piece. And then you're going to slide it in, twist this, lock it up. Alright, connect that. Goes in nice and easily. Okay, so obviously we reversed the steps. Put the 1 bolt down here, bolt here, then there's 2 holding pins here. Got everything in, did everything up. This is the final finish and I think it looks fantastic. I'll even close my hood for you guys. Check out this. What a difference that is. So everything that you actually need to be able to do a whole headlight bulb change is you need to have a 10mm socket with a long extension, drill preferred, Phillips head screwdriver to get 2 of the holding brackets out. Other than that, maybe some vice grips or something to be able to turn the bulb out depending on how long it's been in. But I want to thank everyone for coming out, checking out the video. It's been a pleasure. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tell someone you love them today, and you have a great day. We'll see you next video.